The next topic we'll be covering is Azure Cache for Redis. Azure Redis Cache is based on the popular open-source Redis cache. It gives you access to a secure, dedicated Redis cache that Microsoft manages and that you can access from any Azure application. Azure Redis Cache is an in-memory database that caches data in key-value pairs. It helps your application become more responsive even as the customer load increases. It takes advantage of the Redis engine's low latency, high throughput capabilities. This distributed cache layer allows your data tier to scale independently, allowing for more efficient use of your application layer's compute resources. Azure Redis Cache perfectly complements Azure database services such as Cosmos DB and Azure SQL. It provides a cost-effective solution to scale read and write throughput of your data tier. Using the cache-aside pattern, you can store and share database query results, session states, static content, and more. Azure Cache for Redis stores session state and other data that needs low latency access. Diagram of cache-aside pattern on Azure Storage. First, we'll need to check the Redis cache to see if your item is available. If the item is found, we'll retrieve it. If the item is not found, we'll pull the item from the table storage, recache it in Redis, and then return the results. On the right, we have an image that should clearly explain the workflow overview. Check if cache exists. If true, go to step 2 and obtain the data. If cache could not be found, go to step 3 and recache the item and return the results. So that's a summary of Azure Cache Redis and how it works.